don't think I've ever seen these before.
Nope.
So these came all the way from Germany?
Yes, sir.
Wow, okay.
Actually, they're a distributor for the U.S.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow.
Definitely. No problem.
Oh, I like this. Can my wife come in the back seat?
Yeah, no problem.
Let me get her. Hey, Jess, back seat. So could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Justin, 418-inch XXX KOVE audios, straight from Germany. 2 12Ks. Those are KOVE audio as well. Those are from Germany. They're on 16 volts.
Okay.
Should be open.
Nice.
I pull a little hard.
Sorry.
Then I got 96 amp hour C-Max, then 88 amp hour headway, 320 alt for the 12 volt side, and 390 for the 16.
16 volt system. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
I am.
And the amps are in the back?
Yep, they're
Okay.
in the back. I can show you those after we're
Yes,
done.
sir. All right. Is this so what are their tunings on this box, the 6th? If you know it.
Probably around, I can play all the way down from 20 all the way up to about 63. All about the same average, so I'm trying to get it balanced out. So.
That's in the back.
Hey, come by tomorrow. I ain't even got it tuned yet. I just threw everything in last night.
Really?
So.
Are you still learning? All right.
Yep. I just got her all together and playing tonight. So
Okay.
last night. So.
Damn.
Yep.
That's pretty good. Can I see the back?
Yeah, no problem. I'm about to sit right on.
Oh.
Nice. I don't think I've ever seen these before.
Nope.
So these came all the way from Germany?
Yes, sir.
Wow, okay.
Actually, they're a distributor for the U.S.
Awesome. All right. I like this. You really built into this thing to make the most of your space. I like.
It's actually all encased in 12 gauge steel,
Uh-huh.
and then I got the wood inside the steel, fiberglass, everything. So
Wow.
I had to make sure she's nice and sealed up.
Oh yeah.
Only
Thank you.
thing I gotta do is the doors. So.
Yes, sir. Thank you for you too.
That was perfect timing too. We're gonna walk our butts around.
All right, man. Have a fun day.
Hey, yeah.
Neglected. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that shit. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that.
this road. But they won't spend real to the last time we got my mom in the ball like, yeah. Finna get it like, $20 million. At this point, it's common knowledge. All you haters, you in the club throwing dollars, but I'm saving mine so my kids go to college. Whatever they wanna do.
But they won't speak. That's how. Yeah, $50 million. At this point, it's common knowledge. All you haters, you in the club throwing dollars, but I'm saving mine so my kids go to college. Whatever they wanna do. $20 million. Throwing dollars. That's gonna be love. Being neglected. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that shit. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that.
Neglected. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that shit. Hey, no, I cannot fuck with that. I'm trying to reach one, who the beast one?
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Go to the back.
Hey, come by tomorrow. I ain't even got it tuned yet. I just threw everything in last night.
Really?
So.
Are you still learning? All right.
Yeah.